This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious, dangerous, and pretty filthy pop-ups that are associated with the site Theworksp.online. Theworksp.online. Some people may see these pop-ups, and the real purpose is to force you into subscribing to their ads that will be displayed in the form of web push notifications. I said that these pop-ups are really filthy because they may display pretty filthy content. So for safety reasons, I have hidden this content from your eyes so that nobody would accuse me of displaying this filthy content. Nevertheless, these pop-ups by Theworksp.online are extremely dangerous. They try to force you into clicking on the Allow button, supposedly to enable some HD streaming feature in your browser. But the reality is that whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on the Allow button, their browser gets immediately hijacked. People start getting ads randomly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So now I will tell you how to deactivate these ads from attacking your screen. If you use Firefox, go to its menu, go to Settings, then you need to select Privacy and Security. Scroll down, select Notifications and go to Settings. Delete any websites causing such troubles. When dealing with the Google Chrome browser, do the same thing by going to the menu, going to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and in the permissions select Notifications. At this point, you need to research this list and delete any junk sites that show their ads on your screen. So get rid of all these malicious sites that are causing such troubles. So this is the manual way to fix your browser and to remove excessive web push notifications. But I would also recommend you to research your Windows computer additionally with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software and it will help you to establish other possible adware or malware traces on your system. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiment with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. It will also give you the location of each specific threat and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threats, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.